Hello everyone, I'm Isabella Storms and this is my memoir pitch. My memoir is centered around my favorite place, the small city of northern New Mexico, Taos. I grew up visiting my family and my grandmother in Taos. It's where my mother is from. It's also where I learned how to ski, and I also learned how to ski with a lot of our family friends there. So it's a place that is filled with many fond childhood memories. I vividly remember many long car rides from Albuquerque to Taos, where I'm from, about 2 hours long, and whenever we would finally get into my grandmother's driveway, I would jump out of the car and run into her arms. Sometimes we would bring her back to Albuquerque, but other times we wouldn't, and we would just visit her in Taos. I remember that she had a stream by her house and we would play by it during the summertime. I also remember, her massive backyard, and since she's very religious, we would usually go visit her for Easter, and I remember doing lots of Easter egg hunts and activities like that in her big yard. Because my mom grew up in Taos with my grandma and her family, we have lots of relatives that live there, and they own this restaurant called Montes Chow Cart, and I remember playing with my cousins in the restaurant and visiting family, and I even worked there one summer. Lastly, skiing. On many winter weekends, I would go skiing with my parents and a couple other families. Our parents would drop us off at ski school and the parents would go skiing. I have fond memories of skiing with my friends and our parents picking us up at the end of the day to get dinner. We'd always look forward to the weekend during the school week, and just lots of hot cocoa and lots of late evenings with friends, and it's one of my fondest memories as a kid.